Raja, what do you know about pedals? How many pedals do we have in this manual vehicle?
3.
And do you know about pedals, what they are for?
Um, I think, yeah, my dad was telling me that the far right is speed,
Okay.
the middle one is stopping,
Okay.
and the left one something with the clutch.
Yes. So you telling me right, but I tell you the right side one is accelerator. So we
Okay,
press it, to speed it up,
okay,
and we ease it off when we want to slow it.
okay,
And the middle one is called brake.
okay,
We use that for stop,
okay,
and the left side one is the clutch. We use that clutch to change gear.
okay.
Yes.
Right. So, I mean, now understand, but accelerator, what does accelerator do?
It speeds up.
And
Whenever you're gonna change gear, you need to take ease off, press clutch, change your gear, and then you press the accelerator and you take off.
okay. And how does the car speed up? I know you told me you have changed the gear,
Yes.
but how does the car speed up? What is the mechanics behind it?
Because it takes fuel, and when you press accelerator, the more gear you're building up, the speed is gonna be more. The
Hmm.
lower gear gonna keep your
So
speed
by
slow.
pressing the accelerator, you're pumping the fuel to the engine.
Yes,
All right.
and it will
Okay.
speed up.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Now, in terms of the brake, how is that work?
Well, when you're gonna be pressing the brake, it will slow down. But if you will press the clutch as well, it will not. Your car will not stall. It will not go off. But if you will keep pressing the brake and not clutch, so your car will. But one thing more, if you will straightway first press clutch and then brake, your car will roll more speed, so it
Why?
will lose the control. Your engine braking is not going to work then.
Mm-hmm.
So your gear will go off, so your car will be more fast, your brake will system will work less.
Okay.
So first you need to slow down, and then when you see my car is slowing down, then you press the clutch and brake together to stop.
Okay. And what does a clutch do?
Clutch is used for change gears, or you want to take off your gear neutral, you can press clutch and always you can neutral your gears.
So coming out of the role play, that was very good. Well done. Of course, when you're teaching your clients on the manual, you need much more detail. For example, when you pressing the clutch first and driving on the clutch, what is that word? What we're looking for? What is that word called? What is called? Start
Biting.
with no C. If you're driving with the clutch down,
Yes.
what is this called? It's on your theory as well.
When you driving, keeping the clutch down
Down, yeah.
with the C.
Mm.
uh, Control.
Coasting,
Coasting. Yes, coasting.
yeah, coasting.
Coasting. Yes.
And when you're coasting, there will be no control on the gear. That means the car engine braking will not gonna work. You're right. So that's how we shouldn't be coasting. So, and of course, this is something you will explain more to your clients. Now, going back into the automatic car, which my car is, so I have got 2 pedals only. So you explained to me about the accelerator, which is correct. Now, if I ask you for the brake, so when I press a brake, because there is no clutch now, so forget about the clutch. So when I press a brake, what will happen? I'm going back into role play, I'm a learner now. So what will happen to the,
In automatic.
yeah, so,
So in automatic, you don't use clutch. Your car is automatic clutch system. So whenever you're gonna be pressing just brake and ease off the accelerator, your car will slow down and stop. So you
okay.
don't need to worry about the clutch and gear. When you stop, you can keep pressing the brake. You're not gonna let it go, and you can bring it to P, N. Sorry, neutral. You
Okay.
see, and then put your handbrake. Your car is safe.
So do I have to use my left foot to use a brake
No,
or
you can use your right foot
only the right foot?
because you're taking off your accelerator.
Mm.
So for with that, you won't be pressing your accelerator as well and clutch brake as well together. So
Okay.
you're gonna use your right foot
So in
for
the
both.
automatic car, what you telling me that we only use our right
Right foot.
foot for accelerator and brake, and we
Yes.
don't use our left foot at all.
No.
Good. Okay. Now, when we press the brake pedal, what else happen?
When you press the brake,
when we press the pedal,
brake pedal.
yeah, what else happen?
Obviously you're gonna be stopping.
Anything else?
Anything else like well, this is coming in my head, like you're gonna be slowing down, you're gonna be stopping vehicle behind, so you check your mirror before you stop. That's what I can say about this. Brake, with the brake you're gonna stop, that's all I can say. Yeah. Something missing? I'm missing something?
90% or more,
People say that what I said.
and they miss this as well, even though
Okay.
you are an experienced driver. I'm going to give you the clue now,
Okay.
and this is going to be funny one as well.
Right.
Okay, this is your theory question as well,
Okay.
and when I'm going to give you the clue, you're going to realize the
I
mistake you
missed.
yeah.
I missed something.
Now you drive in the car,
Yeah.
and you've got the other car in front of you,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
and all of a sudden the traffic starts slowing down.
Okay.
Obviously you can see from their body behavior they're slowing down.
Yes.
What other clues will be there for you that they are slowing down?
There are lights.
So when you press the brake pedal, what
The
happens?
lights will show. Yeah. I didn't had about clue about right. I was thinking about
No.
brake.
So yeah, so when you press
With the-
that is the
then,
reason
yeah.
why I was using the word pedal.
Yes. So whenever you're gonna be pressing the pedals, the lights
Brake
will show.
pedal, the light will comes on, because as you press in the brake pedal
Yes.
and the light comes on, that light is also an indicator, isn't it? Yeah. So
Yes.
we're indicating to
Other people.
because we
stopping.
are somebody's leader.
Yes.
Our leader showing us,
Yes.
and we are showing
For followers.
because our followers what our intention are. That is why it's very important that when you see something that has it, check your mirrors and start pressing a brake, so it start helping other people as well. Does it make sense?
Yes.